quiet. We've got the exams on now.
Someone's deciding. Someone's deciding whether or not to steal. He opens a window just to feel the chill. He hears that outside a small boy just started to cry, 'cause it's his turn, but his brother won't let him try. It's like forgetting the words to your favorite song. You can't believe it. You were always singing along, and it was so easy, and the words so sweet. You can't remember. You try to move your feet. It was so easy, and the words so sweet. You can't remember. You try to feel the beat. It was so easy, and the words so sweet. Try to remember. You try to feel the beat. I just want to let you do that.
That was the best recording that we've done so far.
I mean-
you can't plan that shit. You can't.